Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send code on SMS from Telegram while signing off. So first of all, open Telegram. Here enter your phone number and then tap on continue button. It will send code to your phone number. Then simply open SMS box and then copy the code and paste here. And in this way you can send code from Telegram on your SMS. After that, if you have already signed in on Telegram, then you will see your account is logged in or sign in. So if you haven't signed in yet, then you can create new account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.